Hey, I'm Jacob De Leon. I'm here to share my experience in water activities that I'm involved in. Nangyari ito sa Santungan Resort sa Lobao, Pampanga. Ang water activities na ginawa namin is isang celebration sa birthday ng tropa namin na lilibre niya kami. Before, akala ko dati na nung magsiswimming lang, yung parang tatalon ka lang, ganun. Ngayon pala, meron pang proper ways, preparation bago ka mag-swimming. Nandito yung, explain ko yung first is yung stretching. Nandito yung head and neck, shoulders, chest, biceps, hamstring, outer thigh, glutes, triceps, quadricep, calf, upper break, lower break. Kailangan mo palang sundin yung mga exercise na yan para hindi masakit sa katawan after mo mag-swimming. At hindi lang parang stretching. Meron din palang proper ways para mag-swimming, parang proper clothes, ganun. Nandito yung tech or swimsuit, goggles, pool boy, swim cap, and last is yung rash guard para hindi ka mainitan. Ito isa pa pala, yung last talaga is applying sunscreen para hindi ka mangitim after mo mag-swimming. Yun, i-share ko na yung yung nangyari sa amin na experience ko na injuries is yung isang tropa namin habang nakalabog siya sa tubig, habang nagsuswimming siya, nag-muscle cramp siya, and yung ginawa namin na solution is na naglagay nung medyo may alam naman ako na sa mga first aid para gamutin yung muscle cramps is first is sit with your leg, straighten your foot pointed up, and you can use your towel to give your foot up. This will help this stretch the bottoms of your feet back to your calf. Ito yung ginawa kong first aid nung nagka-muscle cramps yung tropa ko dahil na medyo naiiyak na siya sa sobrang sakit. Yung overall feeling naman na after ko mag-swimming is masaya kasi hindi ako sumakit yung katawan ko dahil sinunod ko naman yung stretching. Masaya mag-swimming kasi isa siyang way ng, isang celebration upang magsaya ko ng tropa. Yun lang, salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Bye bye, thanks for watching.